Hello children, so Monica ma'am is back again with exercises. Yes, this is mixed exercises. Mixed exercises of A to H. हमने कहाँ तक कर लिया? H तक कर लिया. तो हम अब क्या करेंगे? उसके exercises जिसमें pictures mixed हैं A के, B के, F के till H तक. ठीक है? H तक सारे pictures mixed हैं. तो अब हम first question करेंगे. Now we'll start with the first question. What is the first question? Write the starting letter in cursive. ठीक है, मैम ने कर्सिव इस टाइम क्यों लिखा है क्वेश्चन में? क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे हैं, मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर हु आर राइटिंग द स्टार्टिंग लेटर इन ब्लॉक लेटर में नहीं लिखना है. डिड आई टीच यू टू डू द एक्सरसाइजेस इन ब्लॉक लेटर्स? नो. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू राइट द स्टार्टिंग लेटर इन कर्सिव, दैट इज स्मॉल कर्सिव. है ना, मैम ने आपको पढ़ाया था ना. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको पिक्चर को पहचानना है, उसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर, जैसे कि ये एरोप्लेन है. ठीक है, एरोप्लेन. ए इज द साउंड, द लेटर विल बी ए. ओके, लेटर क्या होगा? ए. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? कर्सिव ए, स्मॉल कर्सिव ए. कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? ऑलवेज फ्रॉम थर्ड लाइन. ओके, फ्रॉम थर्ड लाइन वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग. फ्रॉम थर्ड लाइन यू हैव टू टेक द स्ट्रोक अप. ठीक है, ऊपर जाएगा. देन टच द सेकेंड लाइन, कम डाउन, touch the third line, close the curve, and then curl it from here. Okay, so this is how you will be writing in 4 lines. Okay, starting from the third line. Okay, first picture is aeroplane. Okay, now second picture, cake. Cake. K is the sound. Starting letter क्या होगा? What will be the starting letter? C. K sound. C is the letter. Okay, so small cursive C we have to write. From where we'll start? We'll start from the third line. Okay, so from third line we'll take the stroke up, touch the second line, come down, touch the third line and curl it from here. So this is how you have to write small cursive C. Okay, what is the next picture? Next picture is glass. G is the sound. G sound hoga, to which will be the letter? Letter will be G. Okay, yes, G is the sound, letter will be G. Okay, so we'll write small cursive G. Okay, from third line you have to start. Touch the second line, come down, touch the third line, go up, touch the second line, come down with a straight line. Straight line यानी सीधा आना है. ठीक है, सीधा आना है आपको. Okay, touch the fourth line, go up and make a stroke like this. So this is your small cursive G. Okay, now next picture is hat. Okay, is the sound, letter will be H. Okay, the starting letter will be H. तो हमें small cursive H लिखना है. What is the sound of H? Okay, so from the third line we have to take the stroke up, touch the first line, come down with the straight line. सीधी line आनी चाहिए और third line को टच करना चाहिए. कहाँ से? फर्स्ट लाइन पे टच करा के देन हम नीचे आके थर्ड लाइन पे स्टॉप हो जाएंगे. एंड ऑन द सेम लाइन विल गो अप, टच द सेकेंड लाइन, कम डाउन एंड लाइक दिस विल कर्ल इट. ओके, सो दिस इज स्मॉल कर्सिव H. नाउ नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज बॉल. B, ball. So B is the sound, letter will be B. Okay, B sound है तो letter क्या होगा? B. So from third line, take the stroke up to the first line, come down. L stroke बनाया ना? You have practiced L stroke ना? The same way you have to take the L stroke and touch the second line. Okay, you have to touch the second line first, then you have to make the curve like this. Okay, पहले सेकेंड लाइन पे टच होना है, फिर सेकेंड लाइन से ये कर्व बनाना है. ओके, So remember that, don't make the mistakes, otherwise you will lose marks in your exam. Okay. So next picture is drum. The drum. Okay. The drum. So from the third line, we'll make the is the sound, letter will be D. So we'll write small cursive D starting from third line. Okay. Take the stroke up. Okay. Make a curve like this. Okay. Take the stroke up. Okay. Touch the first line. क्या करना है आपको? First line को touch करना है, and from the same line you have to come down and curl it like this. So this is your small cursive D. The drum. Okay. Now next picture is, yes, all are aware of that. Okay. Elephant. Is a sound, so letter will be E. Sound है तो letter क्या होगा? E. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर? Small cursive E. Okay. So from the third line, again you have to take the stroke up, touch the second line, come down, touch the third line and curl it like this. So this is small cursive E. Okay. This is small cursive E. Now next picture is fish. Fish. Okay. Is the sound. So starting letter will be F. Okay. So what do you have to write? Small cursive letter F. Okay. From the third line we'll start. Okay. Come down. First line को touch करने के बाद सीधी एक line लेके आना. Okay. From first line you have to bring the line straight, and then you have to take the stroke up, touch the center here, and then you have to make the board curve like this, and the curve should touch the second line. ठीक है, ये second line को touch करना चाहिए. ठीक है, incomplete नहीं छोड़ना. कुछ बच्चे यहाँ तक incomplete छोड़ देते हैं. No, you have to take the stroke up and touch the second line. Okay, ये चीज आपको याद रखनी है. Okay children, so this is first question. Now we'll do the second question. Moving on to second question. Second question is match printed letter to cursive letter. आपको क्या करना है? इस साइड मैम ने क्या लिखा है? Printed letter. Okay, capital block letter और small block letter of A, E, D, G, F, B, H. तो इसी के cursive, okay, same letter के cursive letter को हमें match करना है. Okay, so we'll see what is the first letter. What is this? This is A, है ना? Capital and small block letter A. Okay, now this side we have to search for, yes, small cursive A. Is this A? No. A? No. A? No. A? Yes. So we'll match this the letter capital and small block letter A to small cursive A. Okay, now next is capital and small block letter E. Now this letter we have to match it with small cursive E. Okay, we have to search for it. This is cursive E? No. 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 This is cursive E? Yes, this is cursive E. So we'll match this block letter to cursive E. Now next one is D, capital and small block letter D. So we'll search here. Is this small cursive D? No. Small cursive D? No. Small cursive D? No. Small cursive D? Yes. So we'll match this with, okay. Look how straight lines ma'am is drawing. So you must also draw straight lines. Okay, many children in test I have seen, they were making like this. No, you just have to go straight. Okay, okay, straight matching you should do. Now next one is capital and small letter G. So this side you have to search. Is this G? No. Is this G? No. Is this G? No. Is this G? Yes. Small cursive G. Okay. What is this? Capital F and small block letter F. Okay. So we'll match it with the small cursive F. We'll search for it. Is this small cursive F? No. Is this small cursive F? No. Is this small cursive F? Yes. So we'll match the block letter with small cursive F. What is this? This is capital and small block letter B. Okay, this side we have to search for cursive B. Is this cursive B? Yes, this is cursive B. So we'll match this B with the cursive B. Okay. Now next one is H. Capital block letter H, small block letter H. So we'll match this H to small cursive H. Okay. So this is how you have to match capital and small block letter to their cursive letters. Okay. Understood, children? So now we'll do the third question. Okay. Now moving on to third question. Match correct picture with their letters. Okay. So you have to identify the correct picture. Okay. What is this? Okay. And then you have to match with its beginning letter. Okay. उसका beginning letter जो भी हो, जैसे beginning sound क्या आता है कार का? क. Okay. K is the beginning sound. So beginning letter will be C. Okay. So here you have to search for, this side you have to search for letter C. Okay. And then you have to match the picture with C. Okay. So shall we see where you can find C? Okay. This is K. Car. So small cursive C. Is this small cursive C? No. Is this small cursive C? Yes. So we'll match this picture with its letter. Okay. इसके letter से हम इसको match कर देंगे. Now second thing is apple. Okay. So you have to search for letter A because the beginning sound is A. A is the sound of letter A. So match this apple with letter A like this. Okay. Now what is this? Egg. E is the sound. Letter will be E. Okay. So you have to search for small cursive E. This is small cursive E. Yes. So we'll match the picture of egg to small cursive E. Okay. Now next picture is fan. Fan. Okay. So is the beginning sound. So letter will be F. Okay. So we'll search for cursive F. Okay. Is this cursive F? Yes. So we'll match this picture with cursive F. Okay. We have matched it. Now next picture is grapes. Okay. G is the beginning sound. Okay. Grapes. G is the beginning sound. Letter will be G. So we have to search for cursive G. Okay. In this side. Is this cursive G? No. Is this cursive G? Yes. So with this picture, we'll match cursive G. Now next picture is butterfly. Butterfly. B is the beginning sound. Okay. So B is the beginning sound. Letter will be B. Can you find B here? Yes. This is small cursive B. So we'll match the picture of butterfly to small cursive B. So this is how you have to do your exercises. Okay, we have done first question, second question and third question. Okay, so these questions you have to do in your English copy. You have to make the video for your first question. Okay, first question. What is the first question? Yes, you have to write the starting letter. Okay, you have to make the video for that. It's mandatory. Okay, and you have to send in our class group. Okay, children. And one more thing, in this exercises there were many pictures, but many more pictures are there in your introduction sheets. Okay, so that those vocabularies also will be included in exam. So you don't have to stick on this same exercises. You have to practice these same exercises with different pictures. Okay children, तो आपको यही exercises को different pictures, है ना, जैसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि F से हमने सिर्फ फैन लिया है तो फैन ही आएगा. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी. ओके, एनीथिंग कैन कम, फिश कैन कम, फायर कैन कम. Okay, so you have to take each and every vocabulary in your mind, okay, before your second evaluation. So start revising now itself, okay, for your upcoming evaluations. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.